If you have more than 30 seconds video footage on your phone gallery and now you want to upload the full-length video on your Facebook story, here's the proven method to upload long stories in Facebook more than 30 seconds. As you can see, right now I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the same steps on your Android phone. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger app and tap on Stories. Tap on Add to a Story. And now, from here, if I select this 60-second video, as you can see, this video is too long. Please select a smaller clip from this video. So here I can't upload the 60 seconds story on my 60-second video to my Facebook story. I have to crop the video from here. But we don't want to crop the video, right? To do that, you have to tap on Add to Story and don't select the video footage from here. You have to tap on Camera and then tap on Upload. And now from your gallery, you have to select the footage that you want to upload. So here's I'm going to selecting the same footage and this footage length is 59 or 60 seconds. And now, as you can see, the video has been successfully added. And if I tap on crop, as you can see, this video or footage length is 60 seconds. Now just tap on Done and tap on Add to Story. And here, as you can see, the full-length video is uploading to my Facebook story. So this is how we can upload long stories in Facebook more than 30 seconds. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.